This is an objective with one or more than one correct answer. From the given statements, we need to find out how many of them are the correct one. The option A, which is given as RC double bond O C double bond OR, is an unsaturated compound. This is definitely a wrong statement because this particular compound is an saturated compound. It is a saturated compound. Why it is like this? Because this is nothing but the anhydride of an acid. So by assuming this is the alkyl group and this is one carboxylic acid and this is the another carboxylic acid, from two molecules of carboxylic acid, and when one water molecule is removed, the product is nothing but this anhydride. So as we are taking this one as alkyl group, definitely all are carbon-carbon single bonds. That is the reason why that is saturated system. So that is a wrong statement. Then the next one, the neohydrocarbons contain a secondary carbon atom. If we take for example neopentane, its structure looks like this. A carbon atom is attached to 4 methyl groups. Now, whenever a carbon is attached to one more carbon, that is called as the primary carbon. And if at all there is a carbon which is attached to two other carbons, that is called as a secondary carbon. But here this carbon is attached to 4 other carbons. This is the quaternary carbon. In all the neohydrocarbons, there cannot be a secondary carbon atom. So definitely this is a wrong statement. Then for option C, the IUPAC name of isobutyl alcohol is. First let us write down the structure of isobutyl alcohol. This is isobutyl group. And this is OH group. And the IUPAC name of this particular compound becomes 2-methyl propanol. Isn't it? Any compound which contains this particular group, we use the word iso. And as there are 4 carbon atoms, this becomes isobutyl. And this is alcohol. And its IUPAC name is 2-methyl propanol. So this is a correct statement. It should be in our final answer. Then another one, the IUPAC name of ethyl cyanide is nothing but ethane nitrile, because in general the IUPAC name of this alkyl cyanide becomes alkane nitrile. So 2 carbons are there, so it is ethane and that is nitrile. So both option C and D are the correct answer for this objective.